Hey everyone, here to do the last Zodiac. I'm gonna use these two colors and I'm gonna try that as a highlight, but most likely mix it with that. So this is what I'm wearing. So I'm gonna use this bronzy color from my Kryolan. That's gonna be the base color. I had a great New Year's. Spent it with my brother. So let me dip into that bronzy color right there. This is an old Mary Kay brush, and I don't know if it's picking anything up. Oh, well, yeah, I guess it's picking something up. I don't know how women wear makeup and not, well, I guess it's because my eyes are so deep set. How do they wear makeup and not make a mess? I wish I had the answer to that. I'm thinking that it's probably because my eyes are so deep set that it's always going to get on the bottom. Oh, that's the color next to it. That medium brown color, right? Like a reddish brown color. I know this is gonna look crazy, but let's just try that nice bright coppery color there. Whoa, whoa, that is bright. And it is too dark. So most likely I'm gonna lighten that up with the gold, or maybe just use like the Anastasia brow crayon, the clear one. Anyway, so let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. Today I used my hair mascara in the Periwinkle Blue. It's a hot mess. I know it's really hard to control it, and just going through the hair with it, forget it. It just pulls out my hair. It doesn't really do anything. And since my surgery, I don't know, my hormones have gone crazy again, and I'm just losing hair. My hair's just falling out. My hair was like the only part of me that I loved. I always find imperfections in everything in my face, but I always loved my hair. I don't straighten it. I don't make it look all perfect. I like the messy look. That's just how I like it. And it's like thinning out. I'm so mad. But anyway, yeah, I can't use it this way because all it does is pull out my hair. It doesn't really add anything. So I just cut it open and do it with my hands. I have that was the only blue I had. I still have pink, yellow, green, and a teal. Anyway, so this is finished look. What I did with the eyes, the gold was still too overpowering, so I did use my Anastasia. I forgot what these called, but it was like the eyebrow pencil. It's not for the eyebrows. It's like a concealer type of thing, highlighting pencil, I think they call it. And so I had to use that. And so I just had to keep mixing the copper and the gold with it. And so that's what I did. It's too dark. On a regular basis, I probably won't use any of those two. For the highlight, I'll probably just use a cream color or a white color. So for my blush, I decided to go with Berry Shimmer again. I wanted the darker color. And today I used whatever that symbol is. I don't know what it is. But OMG, is it Virgo, I think? I don't know. I think it's Virgo. I'll, write it. But it is like a bronzy color with tons of shimmer in it. It is really, really pretty. If you just want to use a gloss, This would probably look great over like a brownish lipstick or beige lipstick. It's really, really a pretty frosty color. So yeah, so that's what I used on the lips. And just wanted to quickly tell you, I cannot use Urban Decay Primer Potion. Everybody went crazy over it. I got a sample, and it dried out my lids. It was awful. It was peeling. It was awful. And I heard there's other women who have gone through that as well. And they made an anti-aging formula. I got one of these samples with an Ulta order. I don't even remember when. And they have the anti-aging sample, and it's very, very creamy. I can't have it too creamy either. I don't like, but this is way better than the original. If the original messes you up, this is what you should use. So it's the anti-aging Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm happy with my, I use, actually, I mix Mary Kay with the Too Faced primer. Too Faced primer is my favorite. I get it when it's on sale at Ulta for half price when they have their 21-day sales. I mix it with the Mary Kay one. That is my favorite. But you know, I guess if I wanted the primer potion, I would get the anti-aging. And yeah, so I did the earth, which is the gold, on my cheeks and my nose. So yeah, that was the last of the Zodiac, and I'm gonna get started on the Fire and Ice next time I see you. And oh, and as for my nails, my hormones are going crazy. My nails are just have no more strength in them. I had an old NYX nail hardener stuff, and it would make my nails grow to, you know, to how I like it, a decent length, just past the tip. I don't like them too long. I've told you that before. I spoke to my doctor, and she just said, your hormones are going crazy right now. Like, my hair is falling out, my nails cheap breaking. I'm getting hot flashes again. I'm not losing weight again. I'm stagnant at I went back down to 230. I've been stuffing my face for the holidays, so it's time to get back to the nitty gritty. Cause my belly, he left a little portion hanging, and I've been you know, putting creams on there. He said massage it, but you got to be careful because I could hurt Seymour if I'm a little too rough. So so I've been using like you know, biotic cream on it, and it's draining. Seymour is draining some more, so it's starting to go down. But I look like I'm pregnant and carrying high. But yeah, so my hormones just been going crazy, and you know, the doctor said, you know, when you fully heal, most likely everything will get back to normal. So anyway, so that's that with my look.